Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Craft-ideaz. But before starting today's video, I want to share with you something that due to coronavirus outbreak, already our lockdown process has started, right? And it will continue until 14th April. So I will request you guys, please don't go outside. Please, it's my request to all of you that if you want to be safe, don't go outside. One and only thing now you have to do, that is you have to stay in your home and spend your time with your family. Whatever you want to do, do it inside, but don't go outside. It's my request that please maintain this rule, follow it, cooperate with everyone. So from today I will try to upload very easy paper craft ideas so that you can make it, and it will take maximum 6 to 7 minutes, so don't worry, and it will be fun, I promise you guys. And yeah, spend your time with these craft ideas, or you can make something innovative or creative, and you can draw something, you can paint something, you can sing, you can dance, you can shoot a photo, whatever you want you do, but do it inside. And yeah, that's it guys. Of course, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos. And yeah, let's get started.